Well, here's how you do it. You can't have any ideas. Nothing, you have to just quiet your mind. And even those little fish that are always swimming around inside it, they have to go. It's like you're a kid again and you're standing in your backyard of your grandmother's house in the country and you're looking out into the dark, and you can't see anything and there's nothing happening at all, and then you feel something kind of up against your leg and it's to wind itself around the small of your back like a cat or like a snake with light, and everything takes off from there and you just don't follow, and then the words start to and them just to come out of you like made out of light. For a couple moments you're just made out of light, if you know what I mean, and everything happens all by itself. It doesn't matter if you know what it means, you just have to speaking what's coming, you just keep hoping that the cat or the snake or whatever it is just doesn't go away, that it's gonna stay there and keep crawling up your spine until it comes right out of your mouth at the end, and then what you have is you have the poem, don't you? You just have it right in your body and it's out in the air, and it's even the animals in the yard can hear it, can't they? Happens just like that. No ideas. Nothing. Just you and something that comes to you in the dark and the night that you don't know exactly what it is. But it's enough to change your life, isn't it? Isn't it? Yeah.
If I hear you sing,